everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most talked about micro campers of the year, the 2025 Tricycle Camper. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a three-wheeled compact camper that's turning heads not just because of how it looks, but also because of what it can actually do. Let's start with what you notice first, the exterior. It's sleek, compact, and gives off a futuristic vibe, with aerodynamic panels and LED strips that make it pop on the road. The frame is lightweight aluminum alloy, and it rides on fat, all-terrain tires that give it some off-grid capability. You'll also notice solar panels mounted on the roof. Yes, it's got solar charging built in, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to stay unplugged for a bit. Now, when you step inside, don't let the size fool you. The interior is surprisingly well thought out. You get a convertible sleeping area that turns into a bench and table setup during the day, a mini kitchenette with a single burner stove, a fold-out sink, and even a tiny fridge. There's LED strip lighting around the ceiling, USB charging, ports, and just enough smart storage compartments to stash your essentials. It's cozy, but definitely made for solo travelers or maybe two people who don't mind being close. Performance-wise, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is powered by a hybrid electric system. You get pedal assist with an electric motor that gives you around 70 miles on a full charge, depending on terrain and load. It tops out at around 25 mph, so it's ideal for city cruising, campground hopping, or rural exploring. Not your highway machine, obviously, but that's not the point here. It's whisper quiet, eco-friendly, and honestly fun to ride. Now let's talk price. The base model starts at around $9,500, which sounds like a lot for a trike, until you factor in that it's also your camper, your ride, and potentially your off-grid home base. Fully loaded with solar, upgraded battery, and extra storage, you're looking at closer to $12,000. Still, for people who want to live light, travel slow, and avoid high gas costs, it's a pretty compelling option. So, is it for everyone? Definitely not. But if you're into minimalism, off-grid camping, or just want something different, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is worth checking out. It's not just a quirky trend, it's part of a growing shift toward tiny, efficient living. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you take this thing on the road, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique rides and micro living content. Catch you next time.